Hey Internet, today's lesson is we're going to be using the combine feature to combine multi-bodies. As you can see, we've got two separate bodies that are unmerged. If they were merged, this would be just one body. So to go to the combine feature, we go to Insert, Features, and then Combine. So we got operation type Add. Adding both of these will just fuse them together, which will give you one body. Subtract. So if we pick this and then we pick this to subtract and we get a preview, then we subtracted the middle bit, as you can see. And for common, if you pick both, then you get a common shape. Now, as this is a pre-built exercise, I'll just show you what the common combine feature is. So it looks something like this. And then of course this exercise has been done before, so I'll just show you the final product, which is a wrench that's got a unique shape. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment. Until next time, see ya.